That was it, guys. Sobrang lamig, guys. Kaya mukha taga-Iglo. We're here sa loob ng bridge, guys. Grabe na ang sasakit sa science. Spalan. Hey guys, this is JE and welcome back to Vlogcetera. And for today's video, we are going to do the Gyeongju tour via Klook. And if you want to know more about that, stay tuned because that is coming right up. Let's go get our breakfast, babies. So hindi pa tayo sure, guys, what would be the temperature for today's video. But for sure, it's going to be very cold. Hindi ako naglagay ng heat tech sa loob. So sana hindi ko pagsisihan mamaya. Ito yung breakfast area nila, guys. Kitang-kita yung station ng Busan. And here's our food. Medyo konti lang yung selection nila now. But okay nga din. Kasi meron namang ulam and lots of vegetables. Good morning, guys. This is our second day here in pa rin tayo sa Busan. And it's almost 8:30 in the morning. Meron tayong tour ng 9:30. So it's time to go, guys. Doon tayo pupunta sa station number 2. Doon yung pick up nung Klook tour natin. So this is Busan, guys. It's a Friday morning and ang lamig. Sabi ko kanina i-check ko yung temperature but hindi ko pa na-check. Looks like parang it's still within that 8-9 degrees but I'll check later. By the way, this shades is broken. Natanggal yung tornilyo niya dito. So what I used yung dulo ng toothpick just to have something to use for today. Kasi may araw habang malamig. So I needed to put this on. Looks like andito na yung tour bus natin. So ito na nga siya, guys. Let's get in.
중국어, 영어라서 일단 영어, 중국어로 소개를 해드리고 한국어로 마지막 설명해드리겠습니다. Okay, so welcome to the.
Oh, yan lamig, guys. We have a quick stopover for CR break or coffee break. So we have given 15 minutes. So bio break muna tayo, guys. Parang masaya mag-ganon. Mga sombrerong may ear covers. So meron ditong maliit na convenience store and also coffee shop. Let's try if we could buy something. We are inside GS25, guys. Yeah, the convenience store to be for some quick snacks kasi 2 PM pa kami makakakain.
Yeah, so like I've never been abroad for living. I've never lived in other countries. I've never lived in overseas. So
So while it's winter already in Seoul, at dun sa area ng Incheon, it's still autumn here. Look at that. Ang dami pa rin mga red and orange leaves. Ang layo na pala namin guys sa tour guide. Let's habol. Ang ganda dun, no? May bridge and then the color of autumn.
whenever we get inside, just we used to make a simple box because there's a money box over there, but you don't have to put.
여기 애들은 4,000원. 그래서 여기 4,000원이에요. 4,000원.
First the middle turn and first the middle point. Okay, so please remember those 2 bridges behind me, in front of you guys here. So we are here at Kuglakor. Kuglakor. Actually, why you guys have to see here? 여러분 보통
We are here sa souvenir shop nila. Ang daming items guys. Kaya lang medyo mahal ang mga paninda. Ayun yung souvenir shop guys. We're still here in Bulguksa Buddhist Temple. Ito yung itsura ng labas nila. They're still in autumn. And this is still in Gyeongju. Ito actually yung first stop nung Kluk tour na nakuha namin. It's not snowing here yet guys, pero nauubos na yung mga leaves. In fact, yung mga red and orange leaves, nawawala na din sila. And other trees are already bare. May pagbibilad na nagaganap guys. Sana hindi tayo masunog kasi ginagawa natin. Ang lamig masyado. We're just waiting for the rest of our kasama sa Kluk tour. And actually most are here na. May ilan na lang na hinihintay.
actually we're making that bread, so they got better.
So we're walking here right across kung saan kami nanggaling kasi this is yung area kung saan kami pwedeng pumili ng lunch. So this is on each of our own pockets. Pero madami mga restaurants you could select here.
Number 2, Rin Ichun.
We are here guys in the lunch place. Grabe yung nilakad namin. Masakit sa ilong. So ready na yung mga appetizers and everything. Look at this. Yeah. Mixing it ourselves. Bibimbap in the milk. We're done with the lunch guys. Ito yung restaurant. Hindi ko mabasa kung anong... Ayun, Korean restaurant. Ang generic ng pangalan. Korean restaurant. And then Yung kinain namin na parang ano siya, all vegetable na bimbap. Tapos parang ano, mix it your own. Tapos may mga madaming sides actually that is unlimited. So okay na din. Overall, that's 26,000 around, magkano yun in peso?
Mga 1
O 1,100. So mga 600, ay yeah, 500 to 600 yung presyo per meal per person. So without further ado, let's go back walking. Doon ulit tayo sa taas. Ang meeting place natin would be kung saan nakapark si bus natin. May mga fatty cats. So we're now crossing the highway. Pero tingnan nyo, walang masyadong mga sasakyan. Yeah, tapos nandito yung bus natin, nakapark. Ang taas ng araw guys, oh. Diba? Pero sobrang lamig. Yung lamig na ang sakit sa ilong. Sana hindi ako duguin ng ilong. Kasi may isa na foreigner kanina, grabe yung tulo ng dugo sa ilong niya. Dahil siguro sa weather, masakit kasi sa ilong nung ano, nung lamig. So guys, we're back in the bus and preparing to go to the next na pupuntahan natin.
You can follow me or you can take your free time on your own, and our meetup time is 3:10 p.m.
So guys, all those stuff that you heard and seen, no, yung mga videos sa pinakita ko all about Gyeocheon Traditional Village, at nandito kami ngayon. Ito yung second stop for this Kluk tour. So that was it guys for this stop. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang mga hanok village na slope. Yung may mga uphill, downhill. Here, it's just kapatagan. At konti lang din yung ano, yung mga gantong bahay. So our schedule to be back in the bus is 3:10 and it's now 3:07. So balik na tayo. Ito na yung bus natin actually.
One coin. We saw the same pagoda of Dynasty. They were using this drawing to prevent birds from the land. And in here we have like super beautiful background. So could you guys stand here? 아니면 여기서 사진 조금 찍고 계시면 제가 바로 그 알레한드로.
Hey guys, it's 3:30 in the afternoon and we are here in Daerongwon. Ilalagay ko na lang dyan yung pangalan. Hirap bigkasin. And this is still Gyeongju guys. Look at this. Yung mga chocolate hills peg. Ang mga libingan. So madaming spots around here na may mga tomb. Oh, I think this is the one na pinagpipicturean ng sabi ng mga influencers. Tapos nakaharang kami. Yan nata yan. Kasi in between dalawang burol. Tignan nyo. Ang taas pa rin ng araw guys. Oh. But yung temperature since kanina na nagtutour kami is playing around 5 to 7. Now it's specifically now it's 7 degrees. Ang lamig sa kamay pag walang gloves. You can't feel your hands anymore. Eto na guys yung famous spot na ginagaya ni ate tour guide namin. Pag malapit na sa pila, nagre-retouch daw yung mga nagpapapicture. Let's check. It's good now kasi tingnan nyo, wala masyadong pila. Ayan. Parang 4 na lang yata yung nakapila, pero this area here, yan. Mahabang yan. Every weekend, puno daw to. So, dahil nandito na din tayo at konti na lang yung nakapila, let's try if it's really good for picture. Meron dito guys strip of kainan just outside nung pinuntahan natin kanina. Look at this. Yan. Puro mga stalls at pinipilahan sila. We bought this. Parang 10 won na coin na pagkain. Tapos nilalagay nila yung mga ganun. Kung sino yung mga known celebrities or personalities na nag-try ng kanilang ganito. Let's try it. Let's try it guys here. Ang haba. May init niya guys, pero dahil malamig naman, parang okay lang. Kaya lang, ang haba nung teso kapag kinakain. So nakita din namin na madaming kumakain ng ganito. Pero parang abay siya, something. Pero dito siya nabili. Let's try it. Ang weird ng powder niya guys. Parang curry na nasa siyang ulam. Tapos ang kunat nung fries ba talaga yun? So hindi pala siya french fries. Parang siyang tteokbokki na tuyo. Sanay mo na tayo sa siyo.
This is pretty huge park and there's only money to buy this normal speed and this place was just the club.
Sobrang lamig guys, kaya mukha akong taga-iglo. Anyway, we're now here. Halos madilim na. Pero nandito na kami sa last, yung 4th na destination ng Kluk Tour na ito. And this is yung Donggong Palace and Walchee Pond. Sabi, maganda daw yung mga picture dito kapag kagantong oras because of the reflection dun sa pond. Ayan, pinipicturean na ni ate guide yung dalawa. Check natin. Ang dami ko ng suot guys. Para akong may sakit. Sobrang lamig. Pero ito na yung area na sinasabi kanina ni Ate Tour Guide na may mga reflection coming from the pagoda. Ang dami nagpipicture to, kaya hindi ko alam kung makakasingin tayo. Pero ganun siya, oh. Yan. May mga pa-reflections. Laban yung mga turista sa pagpicture. Look at them. Ang haba ng pila. Grabe na ang lamig, guys. Ang sakit sa sinus. Parang dapat pala nagmask para hindi pumasok yung lamig sa ilong. But we are almost at the end kasi paikot lang naman siya. So, konti na lang. So may last stop pa pala, guys. Ayun, nakikita nyo ba? Madilim na dito pero merong parang, ayun o, pwede kang tumawid. Pero parang ayoko nang gawin yan. Doon na lang tayo. So sikat daw to kasi madaming mga K-dramas ang na-film here. Yung tawag sa kanya is Woljong Bridge. Ayan, yung mahabang yan. From here, this point, to the other end. Yan o. From that point to that point. We're here sa loob ng bridge, guys. Ayan. Ito yung start ng ano. And then all the way there. Ang ganda nung ceiling. And yung mga posting red. Ayan. But, hindi na natin lalakarin. We're out of here. Ayan, guys. Ito na talaga yung totoong final na ano, last stop for this Klook tour. And after here, pabalik na tayo ng Busan. And we're back here, guys, in the neighborhood. Ito na yung ano, yung inn na tinutuluyan natin. Pero we're just going to look for something to eat. It's already actually late in the evening, 10:30, and this is where I am going to end this vlog. So if you like this video about yung tour na ginawa natin via Klook, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the notification bell so that you'll get updated with more of my South Korea vlog only here in Vlogcetera. Until the next one. Oh, by the way, guys, before I officially end this one, we also visited Spaland, but we are not able to get or capture any videos from there. Kaya bibigyan ko na lang kayo ng konting snips about the experience. We're here, guys, in Spaland. This is, guys, the steam hall nung Spaland. Hindi kasi pwede mag-video sa other areas here. So we're done dun sa ano, bathhouse, and then tinry lang namin i-check kung ano yung mga nasa taas, which is more of snacks, other relaxation, and spa. We're getting our dinner here sa neighborhood Nonggala. Ayan. Madami mga nag-iinom nakatabi. We finally get to experience yung ganyang inuman. Ang mahal pala ng pagkain nila doon. Parang 900 pesos yata yung kinain. Ano lang yun na yung chicken na ginanon-ganon. Although siniserve nila sa ano, parang may ano po? Butane na ano ba yun? Kalan?